Hey YouTube, here we go again with another knife review. Just showing them off really. Polished them up, sharpened them. This is the Smith and Wesson Model 630 USA. As you can see, it's kind of mirror polished, except where it says Model 630 USA, because I didn't want to polish that off, but yeah, it was really scratched up. It's not scratched up now. It's got it's a nice, I got a little bit of Renaissance wax on the handle. You clean that off, but my brush isn't in here, so nice knife. Made in the USA. Smith and Wesson. Nice sheath. This has got a little wear on it. I did Renaissance wax it. I need to take my brush and get that off. But also made in the USA. Nice. It's really sturdy. And the knife fits in there very nicely. It's snug, as you can see. And then we have the Smith and Wesson 6085 American Series knife. Got all the scratches off of it. Polished it up pretty good. Redid the brass. That was kind of a mess. It's also USA made. Stainless USA. I think this is like a 1981 knife. But I didn't want to polish the Smith & Wesson emblem or lettering off of there. So I went a little light on the polishing on this side, but not too light. Sharpened up nice. I redid the leather on the sheath. It was a mess. Just a little polishing, little Renaissance wax here and there. I did brush this one off before I bring it out. But Renaissance wax is really great for that stuff. But what I actually did was went from 1,000 grit sandpaper all the way up to 3,000 grit sandpaper. 1,000 grit, 1,500 grit, 2,000 grit, and all the way to 3,000 grit. So, with water, wet polish it. Always wet polish it. And then Renaissance wax it. So that the water doesn't damage the, or doesn't, start a rust cycle. But this one's, pommel looks pretty good on it. It's got a nice sharp tip. It is sharpened. I just sharpened it. And I just sharpened this one. If I can get it back out of the sheath. But it's pretty sharp. I need to take my brush to both of them to get the my gunsmithing brush to get the Renaissance wax out of the nooks and crannies. But besides that, they turned out pretty nice. I'm happy with it. They were very scratched up. I mean, just very scratched up. But I like buying knives at a bargain or on an auction and then rehabilitating them, restoring them. So that's what I do, and that's all I've got for today.